This article is claiming to fact check the claim that Margaret Sanger talked about human weeds. The purported quote reads, "Colored people are like human weeds and need to be exterminated," unquote. So what they're gonna say is Margaret Sanger never said that colored people are like human weeds and need to be exterminated. But here's the thing. They provide the quote that she actually said. So let's go see what Reuters said Margaret Sanger actually said. She wrote, quote, "Birth control is not contraception indiscriminately and thoughtlessly practiced. It means the release and cultivation of the better racial elements in our society and the gradual suppression, elimination, and eventual extirpation of defective stocks, those human weeds which threaten the blooming of the finest flowers of American civilization." So she didn't say specifically that colored people were human weeds. What she said was that the purpose of birth control was to weed out human weeds that threaten the blooming of the finest flowers. This is what I mean by intellectual dishonesty. They're trying to paint the picture that this woman was actually compassionate and actually gave a crap about human rights, about universal human rights. She did not. According to their own fact checkers, she did not believe in universal human rights. She believed that there was a class of humans within American society that were weeds. That were weeds. And by the way, were they weeds because of what they did? Couldn't be. Couldn't be. Because her solution to get rid of those human weeds was birth control, was to murder them before they were born. So if she believes that these human weeds must be murdered before they're born, then she must believe that they are human weeds ontologically because of what they are, because of who they are, not because of anything they did. She's arguing there are certain classes of people that need to be exterminated, that need to be weeded out of the garden before they're born because they don't really deserve to live. They don't really deserve to live. And considering that in the early days and even now, a majority of Planned Parenthoods, almost all, were set up, were opened in majority minority neighborhoods and areas, I think we can guess uh, I think we can guess which kinds of people Margaret Sanger believed to be the weeds that needed to be uprooted, right? I think we can guess who she thought the weeds were. But this is what I mean by denial, right? The true quote is just the debunked quote with more words.